Greetings and welcome to Planet Vrilock Psionics Digerati Podcast, hosted by Herr, Doktor von Vrilock. Now, we have an episode tonight which might pique your interest. We're talking about psionic strategies for peak performance in business, unveiling the arcane edge in sales and leadership. So, tonight's episode should prove to be as insightful as it is informative. Keep in mind throughout the evening tonight, lords and ladies, intuition ignites innovation. So what we're really going to be talking about here tonight is building a team. First, I want to welcome you, all of you seekers of the arcane and the entrepreneurial, both, to Vrilock Psionics Digerati Podcast. And I am your host, Tom Vrilock. I'm guiding you through the mystical and the practical on this journey of self-discovery and, more importantly tonight, team building. Today we merged the realms of psionics and leadership to offer a unique perspective on assembling a team that's not just skilled, but psychically attuned. We might say that the team is psychically attuned, harnessing the abilities of intuition, and then of course having a grasp on issues that need to be solved, and then being able to apply solutions quickly and strategically. So let's embark on this transformative adventure together. Before assembling your team, we need a self-assessment guide. The journey of building this team begins with self-reflection. Believe it or not, it does. Understanding your strengths and weaknesses, from your skills and talents to areas for improvement. Recognize your interpersonal style, be it collaborative, assertive, or perhaps even empathic, and then its impact on your interactions with others. What about you helps you interact with people better? Are you an assertive person? Are you empathic with others? Are you a collaborative team player? You know, as a leader, your approach might be to lead by example, empower others, or take charge decisively. But when you add psionics into the mix, it's about considering how your abilities, like foresight and intuition, and energy manipulation, also called animal magnetism, the ability to draw people to you and have them listen to you. These can benefit your team. It's about using your heightened intuition, and then of course your empathy to enhance team dynamics, and of course facilitate intuitive decision making. Your motivations might stem from a passion for innovation, or a desire to make a difference, or perhaps it's merely personal growth. And these are all worthy and honorable pursuits. In the realm of psionics, it could be a quest for spiritual growth, a connection with universal consciousness, maybe even AI or brain-to-computer interfaces, quantum mechanics, quantum computing, or an exploration of the hidden realms. Aligning your team around these transformative goals is the key. Embrace your gaps. Lords and ladies, you need a blueprint for developing and building a diverse team. Building a diverse team starts with acknowledging your gaps. These are the areas where you might lack expertise or perspective. Now, these aren't weaknesses by any means. They're opportunities for others to shine. You should seek individuals who align with your vision and culture, but also invite diverse mentalities who will challenge assumptions and bring you fresh perspectives. Your team needs a mosaic of skills, so look for experts in areas where perhaps you're not quite as strong. And remember, a team isn't about cloning yourself. It's about amplifying your impact through others. Finding like-minded team members is a challenge, and to find like-minded individuals who resonate with your vision and your values, consider some of these strategies. Perhaps focus on defining your vision. Clearly articulate the mission, values, and the goals of your team. This clarity will resonate with individuals who share similar aspirations. And indeed, cultivate a presence. That means to establish a strong presence in communities where potential team members may indeed gather. This could be online forums, social media groups, or local meetups related to psionics and leadership, dowsing, ufology, metaphysics, you name it, quantum mechanics. That seems to be a big interest these days, is quantum mechanics. A lot of this psychic stuff is now falling into that arena, or that territory, I should say. So you might dig in there into quantum mechanics, find other people who share your passion for quantum mechanics. Or as I've said, other pursuits such as brain-to-computer interface and so on. Communicate your unique values. Share what sets your team apart, such as a focus on mental ability or a commitment to spiritual growth, technology, education, entertainment. Highlighting these unique aspects will draw in those who are looking for exactly what you offer. Again, apply that animal magnetism, that mesmerism, that personal empowerment of energy manipulation to bring others to you. Network with intent. Attend events, go to workshops, download Herr Dr. von Vrilock's video courses. Hey, couldn't resist a plug-in there. And it won't hurt, believe me. Attend seminars that align with your team's interests. Bring the whole team, bring the whole gang down with you. Networking with intent means seeking out connections that have the potential to grow into team collaborations. Now, don't forget to leverage referrals. Ask current team members or trusted colleagues if they know anyone who would be a good fit. Personal referrals often lead to the most harmonious team additions. Now, content is king. So create engaging content. Share content that reflects the essence of your team's work. Whether it's articles or podcasts, some YouTube videos, Vimeo, what have you. Engaging content can attract individuals who resonate with your message. So use it. Remember, content is king. And so is video. Video seems to really just be the one media outlet that people can really lock on to. Podcasting as well, but video content is truly king. Offer value first. Okay, so provide value to others before asking them to join your team. What are you all about, man? Tell me about you. So you want to tell people about you before you invite them in to become a part of your team. You know, this could be through advice, giving out some free advice, some online consultations, resources, or support. When people see the value you offer, they are more likely to want to be a part of your mission. And that's what you're looking for. Now let's talk about unleashing mind power in the boardroom. The boardroom is the central processing unit of your company. We'll explore how to integrate diverse psionic talents into the fabric of your team. We'll discuss the importance of interpersonal style, where heightened intuition and empathy can lead to more profound connections and understanding among team members. We'll consider how psionic leaders can sense group energy and facilitate intuitive decision making. This is very important because having psionics as your edge makes you indeed very different. And it's a real advantage So you need to press that advantage. We're going to explore the motivations behind psionic practices, whether it's, spiritual growth, as I've said, connection with universal consciousness, brain to computer interface, or the exploration of hidden realms, virtual reality, quantum mechanics, quantum computing, and so on. We'll align our priorities with transformative goals that not only serve the business objectives, but also contribute to the enhancement of collective consciousness. Remember, keep the magic high and let the power of the mind illuminate the path to success in the business world. You have to believe it to see it. Tune in now to this psionic synergy and unleash the mind's power in your boardroom. Transform your team into a circle of psychic innovators, people who really have a handle on both their analytical thinking, possess some degree of intellectual capability, and have developed an intuition or perhaps even emotional intelligence for working with the team, sensing what's really going on, and making sure everybody's on board with your vision or bringing something new to the table. Draw to your team players with emotional intelligence who align well with your company's character as well as your vision. So I wanted to throw in that you can enhance your journey into psionics and business with the Vrilock VMX drive. As we delve into the world of psionics, I'd like to take this moment to mention that this drive, a dual USB drive with all video courses and all audiobooks preloaded, is available at vrilock.com/shop. This is the ultimate psionic executive's tool in your pocket. Snap it into your phone, your computer, your laptop. Train up with these video courses. Listen to audiobooks while you're working out at the gym or driving to work. And this is the material that will give you all the abilities I've mentioned. So this powerful tool aids you in your endeavors, providing you with the resources, essentially to amplify your abilities and achieve your goals. These are techniques, methods, and training that I've been doing for about 35 years. Consider adding these video courses on the jump drive, this BMX drive, to your arsenal as you embark on this journey of self-discovery and team building. Because this is going to give you everything you need to build that team. You're going to be able to draw people to you. You're going to be able to align them with your vision and really get business done. As a side note, as psionics has its beginnings in science fiction, you may not have known that. You may have always thought that psionics was this rare area of science where the engineering concepts are applied to paranormal phenomena, right? But it actually has its beginning in science fiction, or actually which was once called scientification. Scientific fiction or something along those lines. Yeah, they actually had a word like that, and they shortened it to sci-fi, science fiction. It might be prudent to give an example from popular literature in the nature of building what we're talking about here is a very diverse team. So I have selected Philip K. Dick's novel, Ubik. So we can begin learning diversity in team building from this novel, Ubik. In the realm of Ubik by Philip K. Dick, there's a team of inertials representing this fascinating blend of diversity and unique abilities, also known as talents. Each member brings their own special, what's called an anti-talent, to counteract the psychic phenomena that they face. And this is usually, there's another team that uses their psionic abilities to work corporate sabotage. So the heroes in this story have something called an anti-talent. The diversity in this is not just a strength, but a necessity, of course, as it allows the team to tackle a wide range of psionic challenges. As we consider the inertials like these characters in the book, Eddie Dorn, Al Hammond, John Ild, Francesca Spanish, Tito Apostolus, Don Denny, Sammy Mundo, Wendy Wright, and Fred Zafsky, we see a microcosm of a well-rounded team, right? Each individual's unique abilities and perspectives contribute to the collective success of their group. So they're a testament to the power of diversity in achieving a common goal, much like the team that we aspire to build in our own ventures. The diversity enhances the team's capability to navigate complex situations and fosters a dynamic environment where innovation thrives. Remember, dear listener, to keep the magic high and embrace the diversity of talents and perspectives, just as the inertials I've mentioned in Philip K. Dick's Ubik, to create a team that is resilient, adaptable, and bound for success. Keep that in mind and keep the magic high. Well, that's really all for tonight's episode. And again, get your VMX drive at vrilock.com/shop. It's got everything on it, every video course, all audiobooks just for you in a weatherproof, temperature resistant, really badass, beautiful dual USB keychain, waterproof and stamped, engraved with the emblem of Dr. Vrilock. So you can be part of the team. Our team. It's a really big team, actually. We're really international. And we'd like you to be on board with us and digest all these wonderful materials so that you can get empowered and really drive success into your life. Until next time, lords and ladies, embrace the arcane and the entrepreneurial, and may your ventures be as limitless as your mind's potential. Farewell. Herr Doktor commands.